Here I have HTC Desire 816, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should open contacts application, like maybe people. Okay, tap on three dots here, then go to the manage contacts, select import export contacts, then select import from SIM card, because that's what we're gonna do today. Here you can select which contacts you want to import, then just tap save and these contacts will appear on your device. So as you can see, you have like two copies of each contact, because like the one is on SIM card and the other one is on device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.